Imagine waking up tomorrow. You check your phone, and your entire job is already done. Not by your colleague, not by your boss, but by an AI agent. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. And the scary part? It's happening faster than most people realize. Let's break it down simply. For years, AI was just a tool. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer. But now, something has changed. We now have AI agents. These are not just tools. They don't wait for instructions every second. They can plan, they can decide, and they can act on their own. Imagine giving AI one task: create a business report. Instead of waiting for step-by-step instructions, the AI will research, analyze data, write the report, design the slides, and even send the email, all by itself. And this is already happening in real life. Companies are using AI agents to handle customer service. No more long queues, no more waiting. AI is writing emails, responding to clients, and solving problems in seconds. In some offices, AI is already doing the work of 5 people or even more. Let's bring this closer to home. Imagine a company here in Nairobi. Before, they needed a full team to prepare weekly reports. Now, one person with AI can do everything. The AI collects data, analyzes it, creates visuals, and writes conclusions. What used to take 2 days now takes 10 minutes. And it doesn't stop there. AI agents are now writing full business plans. They are building websites automatically. They are editing videos in seconds. Even content creators are using AI to generate scripts, visuals, and voiceovers. That means someone with just a laptop can now compete with big companies. But let's be honest, this also brings fear. Many people are asking, is my job safe? Because when a machine can work faster, cheaper, and 24/7, what happens to human workers? Here is the truth. Some jobs will disappear. Repetitive tasks, basic data entry, simple customer support, these are already being replaced. But here is the other truth. New opportunities are being created. People who understand AI, people who know how to use it, are becoming more valuable than ever. Think about it like this. Before, you needed a full team to start a business. Now, one smart person using AI can do the work of many. Across Africa, this is a huge opportunity. Young people can use AI to start online businesses, create YouTube channels, offer services globally. You don't need a big office. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need skills. So the real question is not, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, will you adapt or be left behind? Because the future belongs to those who learn how to work with AI, not against it. Imagine this: a human and an AI working together. The human brings creativity, emotion, and vision. The AI brings speed, power, and efficiency. That combination, it's unstoppable. So instead of fearing AI, start learning it, use it, experiment with it. Because the people who master AI today will lead tomorrow. And remember this: AI is not replacing humans. It is replacing humans who refuse to adopt. The choice is yours. Start now or get left behind. Please subscribe to my channel, AI Creator Mastery, for more videos.